Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase on Procreate. To begin, find the eraser tool icon, which looks like a pencil eraser, located in the top right toolbar of your canvas. Simply tap this icon once to activate the erasing function. You'll then see two sliders appear on the left sidebar. Use the top slider to adjust your brush size and the bottom slider to control the opacity from 0 to 100% for precise control over your erasures. Did you know you aren't limited to just one eraser? Tap the eraser icon a second time to open your full brush library. This allows you to select any brush you own and use its unique texture for erasing. For example, you could use a charcoal brush for a soft, smudged erase or a hard-edged brush for crisp lines. Experimenting with different brushes can add a lot of character to your artwork. Procreate offers several advanced techniques for more efficient erasing. A quick two-finger tap on your canvas will instantly undo your last action, saving you time. If you need to clear an entire layer, simply hold down the eraser icon for a few seconds. For precise erasing within your existing lines, activate Alpha Lock on your layer. This ensures you only erase pixels that are already there, keeping your edges clean. Here are a few final tips to enhance your erasing workflow. Always consider duplicating your layer before making significant erasures. This preserves your original artwork. Remember that brush pressure can greatly influence your erase, allowing for subtle fades or sharp removals. Don't be afraid to experiment with all the tools and techniques we've discussed. Finding your preferred method will significantly improve your digital art process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.